I want to change my company name. How can I do so?
Well, first, you have to choose a new name. It can be in English or traditional Chinese. For English names, it should end with limited, not Ltd. The name cannot give an impression that it is associated with any government. It also can't be too similar to another company name, nor can it use offensive language. The second step is to conduct a name search. Head to the company eCris index to make sure the name isn't already in use. If the company name is not in use, you're good to proceed. But if records show up, then you have to try another name. The last step is to submit your application. The company registrar will review it in 5 to 7 working days. Upon approval, they will issue a name change certificate. Then a new business license with your new company name will be mailed to your registered address. That usually takes approximately 2 weeks. The company name search is a straightforward but time-consuming process. So let us help you. Let Get Started Hong Kong be your trusted local support guide. Email us at info@getstarted.hk.